From discovering how to create fire to setting foot on the moon, every human milestone has marked the beginning of something greater. But now, in this area of unprecedented technology and knowledge, one inevitable question arises. What's next for us as humanity? In this video, we will explore the possible giant leaps that could define our future. Imagine a future where we explore the stars and uncover the unknown, eradicate diseases, and rewrite our biology. We create machines that surpass our capabilities. Exploring outer space. Space. An immense place full of mysteries. But why should we explore it? Because there we might answer one of humanity's most important questions. We are alone? The idea of finding alien life fascinates some and terrifying others. How would we interact with them? It will depend on who we find. Anything from a microbe to an advanced civilization, like navies from Avatar. But space isn't just about finding life. It's an opportunity to expand, colonize new worlds, and ensure the continuity of our species. The knowledge we've gained by being there physically exploring goes beyond any theory. We could discover new elements, resources, and even our true place in the universe.
Curing any disease or injury.
Now, imagine a world where a simple machine like the medbase from Elysium, the movie, could cure any diseases or regenerate damaged tissues. This could bring us closer to eternal life. But with great advances come big questions. How would we avoid overpopulation? Should universal access be guaranteed? Is living forever truly a good thing? Building humanoid robots with human-level dexterity. Robots are everywhere, so why don't we feel like we are living in the future? Maybe because they are not like us. The next step in robotics is achieving machines as versatile as humans. Not just robots that clean or deliver package, but humanoids robots capable of solving complex problems and adapting to any task. As a creator of a robotic hand, I can tell you that replicating our efficiency is not easy feat. A human hand has at least 27 degrees of freedom, so you can do this. In contrast, typical models you find online or even the one I built only achieve 5 degrees of freedom, one for each finger. However, prototypes like Tesla's have achieved 22 degrees of freedom, which is an impressive advancement. Conclusion. There are countless paths to the future, from unlimited energy to expanding across the cosmos. These objectives are our chance to progress in the Kardashev scale, but they are also a call to reflect on our role as individuals. So the question isn't just what will humanity's next objective be, it is also what will your next objective be. See you later, my friend.